My team today.
Elizabeth. Hadwa fa ku fahmiye iska sa'ali mark. Okay, wrong. Okay.
I told her also.
Iya, aqoontada ku fadhiyaati. Oy.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel with another day, with another video with my two
Yes.
Enjoyas.
Yes.
Yes. So welcome both of you.
We are the most welcome.
First of welcome because you are the first, right?
No.
So first welcome to you.
Allah always the first.
No, for today video.
Because I am enjoying. Tell her I'm a gangster.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
Gangster
ta'ala
he is.
wabarakatuh. Dhamaantood salaam ya. Channelkayga waaye.
Yeah.
Sida caadada game bal ciyaari doonaa laakiin always I'm winner, you know.
What you want to say? You want to always winner or?
We don't trust words, we need actions.
Okay, I want with both of you
Okay.
a game.
Okay.
I show you the words, crumble word. You know, okay.
Mix it well.
Yes.
Yes.
So you can manage and tell me. I
Okay.
show you one time 3 words.
Okay.
Then one time 3 words.
Okay.
Okay. So the winner is
Well, we will see.
yes.
So, okay. The word is English or Somali?
English.
English.
Because Somali I don't know.
Yeah.
I know. Let's do. Waxay tiri anaya game adag ayaan dhex dhigayaa Mrs. Ana iyo Mr. Enjoa. Gamekaas ereyal isku dhex qasaayo. Ereyaashana Somali ma aha, Somali lagu ordi jiray waa ogahay. Waa erey English ah oo mixed ah. So, qof walba saddex erey ayaan weydiin doonaa kadib ayaan gudbin doonaa. Yes.
Okay. So want to start.
As always.
The girls.
No.
She will never accept it because she feels fearless, you know.
Wala ka maqan kan hada bilaabay ana bilaabay kan way xanaajinaysaa.
Okay, I gave Enjoya 3 words.
3 words, okay?
Please.
Okay. Number 16 and number 17 and number 18 ay soo baxay. Anda ifirnaysa, okay?
Laakiin waa laga faa'iideysanaya oga wada dadka.
Okay.
Don't cheat, okay?
Okay. When I sound is finished, right?
Yes.
Okay.
One time.
One time, I know, okay.
You can think, okay, good.
Ay. Wallahi ereyal oo caadi ah saddex erey aad enjoy ay soo qortay. Number 16, elevator. Okay,
Maya.
wrong. Okay. The second I will. Okay.
Kan laga faa'iideysanaya.
No, don't write.
I know. Enjoy, you can.
I know. But you know, I'm thinking, okay, suk. Oh, kalamat waa big wat kaaday. Iska saddexaad u wada suk.
Iska soo dhiib aqoontii qofaad joogtay.
Adag yihiin wala. Okay, I will try. Okay. Now I will try. So the word 16 is gonna be invention. Okay. Tingnan mo ko dahil. Pero ako sa sala ka dahil sikan.
Kama laga faa'iideysanaya.
Does she get chance?
Normal words, even normal words.
I know. Okay, what 18? Number 18. One word or together word is?
Together. Even normally, daily we use.
Okay. I will ask
why?
you. Number 18. Only one sentences.
Yes.
One vocabulary waaye. Wax.
One vocabulary.
Qashaya.
Listen, already I told, okay? No, don't do like this.
Nama agana. Juusan qashininku.
Okay. Look, Harya, look.
No.
Marwaaka.
Waxaan time baa socdaya.
Haye.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Terminal.
5. Maya!
Hi, okay, tell me.
Okay.
I have chance.
No, I show you the others.
Travel,
vacation,
vacation.
watermelon. Shit.
It's so easy.
Easy.
I told you, we do daily use, right? So it's easy, right? No mistake?
Yes.
Very easy, wallah. فإذا ما جرت كل أنا هاي هذا لا
aamuste noo intaan garnay waa dhaaftay
صدق أري مور هاي أري كود لا فيرس مرتين هل حب أنا شيكته
haddaan sheegana
never ever ما أول وقت كبير
No cheating.
no cheating
no cheating my she always sang
ma taaban caadi iska dhig walaa caadi iska dhig
فير سي no أدين
okay this one
close the door
this one talabaad two is
Yes,
no mama hadal be
my wrong
No, wrong. This is not that. What is
wrong
Even this is so easy.
okay this one and wallahi
okay next to me ask me
no mama taaban adiga caadi iska dhig wax aad ka faa'iideysanaysa malahan
This one is
Wither.
weather
Tell me.
tulip
What is the meaning Tell
tulip flower.
Oh flower
This one is one thing we eat.
yeah I know
okay me next
Okay.
أنا fear the sea
Don't look me, okay?
No, I never. But she is wallahi. Wabutin si mat had wa ku fahmiye. Kaysa elimar.
Enjoy a think. This also so easy.
saaqadin baad meesha isku keenaya
Kan ku hortaniya.
sidii ifrax xarifadu waa English simic ay taqaanay
Ifrah ma English taqana. Wa is ayno sab ala bis ayno ya. Wala ala is ayno sab da.
xarifadu waa
Okay, NCBCD. So can go with what
Don't look down.
No, I'm not looking down. شو واكنا تاو هذا باب على كتابنا what kind of this one is
This even
haddaad garanay taanka ka ridin
okay واي هي ورتها نبيبيا
What is that? What is that, Nabibia?
okay this
kahada taabato oo dhinacii ka taag
Joya, you can.
Elizabeth
saaqad tasdaxad
Oregon
My team today.
sorry this is very hard to
I show you, no? Then you tell me.
basketball okay
Backpacking, baseball, boating.
oh
Even so easy. So easy.
yeah
baseball backbetting we never use wallahi billahi it is new for us
waxba kaama gelin
Backpacking.
waa
when
wax la
we go to
isticmaalo
backpack,
waaye
when we
oo
go.
fudud waaye saaqadnimada intaad iska daysaniyo iska soo dhiib waxaan anaga hadda shabaga gelinine soo dhiib anaga waxaan war aday ku taala hadaan isticmaalay
no what this is how I this is right what is but we
You-
Muslim
aday ku
we
taala.
are you for this what is
okay.
fair
mama taaban ba ani okay for me ka jeeso
ma ana ba ina ma jaraba
ka jeeso may waa qaladaan wallahi qaladaan oo arag
she is jitter yeah wallahi
Okay.
very easy like her
I show you two, right? Her also this two.
qaladka jooji okay caadi iska dhig
Look
wallahi
like this.
inaanan taaban
Already I told you we use daily. Even this we use daily. Seriously, when you see.
but in my own self it is new for me
Why new for you?
adaa
I
jeedin
never used
okay
before
Still.
this one
Yes.
she's touching
to alif flower
wrong
1 point.
Wallahi.
Flowers.
Show me.
Flowers.
halkaa ka arag
Yes, this one flowers. 1 point to
Okay.
Amina.
no she said flower only
waa sax waaye caadi iska dhig yaa
What is the I told you
والله وبالله وبالله وبالله
كلمة لا
والله بالله أنا
What I'm telling
No,
you is
no.
this right. Yeah, two of that. Yes. All wrong.
No.
No, all wrong.
I show the other.
Of course.
Flower
No, even
1
wrong,
point.
wrong,
No,
wrong.
والله
ورجع.
هذا عاد كده يا
Listen.
هذا عاد كده
ورجع فرت هي قليل.
Listen. I showed that one to you.
No.
This one
But look. She is not confident for herself.
This one sun
She's touching. There. See.
والله بضها عاد كده يا
هسي down فين سينا.
ما يسكت كتات لكن صح واي
I look
Hi.
her. I look her.
Down نقول I mean down. كنا تزيا سكن. والله وقرأ.
والله لا أنا لا تقول عيبة والله يا
فيري.
Okay.
I have 2 points you know
She touched the screen. See the screen. بس أنا
Listen to me, black, please.
Okay, black.
Don't do white, okay?
okay
She can do whatever she wants. I
Son?
don't care.
this one
I don't want to play this game no more. No.
this one no my عاد
No,
كده
no.
انتوا يا
No, I
والله
don't-
عاد
I
كده
don't need Maya. See, serious.
This 12
Because you are the judge.
heat.
If you don't
Clap.
judge us like straightly, she's touching
And
the screen.
this
See?
one?
touching the screen, and you refuse
Hot.
me to touch the screen.
hot
And she
صح
can read down.
صح
I don't care.
I
Do
have
whatever you
4 points okay والله أنا dhaqanka waa lagu yaqaanaaba Amina inay ka badiso dhan xasaasiyad baa laga qaadaa war anigu always I'm winner you know it I have 4 points
Okay,
waad ku
yeah.
qasbantahay waliba inaan sacabka qaraacdo
Yeah.
sankaasa ku daloola
Enjoy.
he cry you know because
You know.
I am legendary you know it
I
and
believe
I
on
beat
him.
him wallahi I beat him Hi
I believe on Enjoya that he will win and Amina will lose because Enjoya know too much English. So I believe on you, okay? So this 3 she I know count the one, okay? The flower one I know count.
okay this one
3 she
absolutely waa ogolahay aniga pointka kale adu qaaday I have 3 points qasora maga
No, ما بعيارو يبان.
أنت ما تكون قصبت هاي you know قصب سنكاسا كوكو دلولا سنكاسا كوكو دلولا
Maya.
ور أنا جا إلهي كتحدران هاي
No, I don't want to play the game. I told you.
No.
Because you are with her.
No,
Because
I'm not.
what do you mean? No. What do you mean? She make the.
أنت بندلي وركان أي قاعد تحنا
I show you.
كين هرت باشن
Wait.
هرت باشن كين نعم عادك
هيا.
والله هو يحاسن سيا وديك حاسن سيا والله
No.
قفك قصبك جو حيني
Listen to me, why?
أدو واي أدو ديدن هاي نكابديو
Maya.
وروحان أقوال اسبركتي واي واي نفتال أدو كرسون على واي نفتال أدو كرسون على مسكين باتاي
I want that everyone speak, okay? So I want Enjoy speak what he want to say, okay?
Okay
So
so
what do you want to say?
Give me the mic.
You think maybe she just say like
No, I am sure 100% one time. Let me finish here. One time I used to say like this. You come to me, stop,
Yes.
don't. The second time, I'm
Yes.
Then she took the phone. She used many times like this. You never talk. That's why I disappointed. And I don't want to come back.
Seriously, I said
I
to
don't
her
care.
also.
I saw in my mind. No.
he cried
No.
yo
whatever
aday
you
ku
want.
tala
That's
always
why I
I'm
disappointed.
winner
I told you the right thing. Yes.
taas ku
As I
fadhiya
told her also,
iyo aqoontada ku fadhiya abti oy de oy wallahi billahi oohin baa ka keenay anu markaa halkan soo fadhiisanaysa waa ogaa inaad ooyeyso
Whenever she do like this, I said don't do.
Say
Don't do.
whatever
But
you
she
want.
again said this. Get out.
Say whatever
Yes.
you want, but
Yes.
I don't care.
say
Enjoy. Get out.
always I'm winner
No, winner.
Yeah,
Still, yes, maybe he will. Okay?
he
Because-
say I'm not playing
No, he is playing. Otherwise, I kill him.
wala ciyaar
I don't
oohin
wanna
baa
play.
ku
No.
I kill you.
Okay, until you say she is 0 and 0. Then
No,
I will play.
0 to 0 for me, no play. Because you see, you know I'm winner.
Because
I have
I'm
4 points. You say Amina 1 point, I cancel. Or I say okay, you know. Well, English aku garaan.
Bye. I am going.
Yes, I'm. Magi si wala kali. Ay sa police te wakas. No, mega. Maxaad cabsanaysaa? Car soo fadhiiso.